the economic development of Southeast Asia has been on a rapid growth, which is why the civil engineering profession will be quite an illuminating.
Gagawin natin. Hello. Mechanical engineering. So, joke lang. So, ito, take so, tingin mo. Pero may balak ko magaling.
It's 5:06 in the morning, April 23rd. It's Thursday. I filmed a little bit earlier and I said it was Tuesday. This vlog was supposed to be titled like the last week of senior high school because tomorrow is our last day of classes and then we just have like graduation practice. That's all. Tuesday and Wednesday got switched to online class because of transport strike, so I didn't get to film much. I just went to the gym. I'm just drinking coffee right now. This is my third cup of coffee today. Let's see if I'm gonna buy another coffee later. I probably will. I'm trying to get that volume, the one last Saturday. It was like, my hair was like, it has so much volume in it. I can't recreate that. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm starting to wear my natural curls outside more to gain more confidence in myself, especially like it takes me like actually 2 hours to get my hair ready plus another hour for my makeup. I'm just like trying to embrace my natural curls. Yeah, I'll see you guys later because I'm gonna play some music and get ready.
Pinakabasag si King.
Talaga ba, Russell? Gusto mo naglag din kita? Gets kita. Alam mo ba, ba't ako nahilig sa matcha? Oh, Bob. Yung may nagdadawa dito.
Bukas na lang po. Online po kasi hindi na ako
Kasi ang pinsan mo.
Ayaw po ka magulo ng tanga na si Alexa.
Wala na.
Sabi niya, ang tanga daw.
Oh.
Ba't mo naman siya? Kasi nung na-start na yung kakatan ko lang. Nakarating ko lang sa SMX. Basta punta ko dito.
Wow! Nagpawash lang ako ng face. So, yeah. Guys, andito pala kami sa bahay ni Nika. Kasi sleepover ako sa kanila ngayon. It's currently Sunday na ngayon, no? Currently Sunday na. Galing kaming franchise expo kahapon. You're ready na. Yikes. Guys, toner. Meron ko mag-toner? No. Less waste. Uy, oh, natural.
Dahil kasi nagsasettle ka sa bare minimum.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. So, nagsasettle ka lang as friends.
Saan na din?
So, lang ka kayo sa ng best friends niya. Tapos, nagsasettle kayo sa bare minimum. Na. Pangarin ko.
Ako sa'yo to. Moisturizer. Diba? Halos pares lang kami ng ano. Skin. I'm gonna change. Hi guys. What percentage of the time do you think I'm completely full of shit? So guys, this is the visibly. I'm like so happy right now, guys. Hi guys. I'm like excited right now. Oh my god. So my get up for get up. Hi guys. So dito na ako katulog. I'm on a call with Asia. And pero right now, nagpapalpitate ako. And ang dami ko nakalimutan. Eyeliner, yung eyebrow pencil, yung beauty blender ko. Ines. Kasi sa dami kong pwede makalimutan, bakit eyeliner pa? If y'all know me, kilala ko ng friends ko, eyeliner is literally one of like my biggest... It's me. May pa-epal pong dumating.
Ate! Siya na ng setup mo, bakala.
Sorry. Gulo.
Nasaan na yun? Nakakatawa.
Ay, yung camera nakalimutan ko. Before and after. Hindi, sige, iPhone. Tapos mag-after.
Tessa, saan mo yun agad ah?
Ha?
Saan mo yun agad ah?
Bukas na.
Baka lang.
Hi ka.
Hello po.
Hi! Hi! Hi, Kyle! Dito ako sa kanila, nakikigulo. Feeling ko... Hi guys! So, this is the dress. I'm wearing red lippy, so yeah. This is like the Versace inspired gown by yung sinuot ni Lily Deprose. So yeah, when we found this, it was like, okay, that was for me. It's for me. Like, because you can see from my expression when I tried this on. I'll insert the clip here. Parang okay.
May ano yun?
Narinig yung prayer?
May ano yun?
Narinigin mo siya dati.
May ano? May ayun yung small? May insistent.
I was like so happy. I'm gonna redo my hair. Hi, I'm doing my lips now. Fix my hair. Mas bad ko yung kanina, but oh well. Yeah. I'm excited. At the same time, I'm kind of nervous because sa section kasi namin, parang dalawa lang kami sumama. So, I don't know kung saan table kami mapupunta. Mag-edit na ako siya. Guys, I'll put it in. I have my camera and my clutch. I'm going to Yana's room. Yana Heaven and Calzone. My shoes are a little big. Kasi umaram ko lang siya kailan makeup. So, yeah. There's the inside pictures. Guys, I want to capture their reaction. Hi!
Wow, God!
Shit!
Oh my God! Nagtiwala kayo!
Oh my god!
Pakita oh.
Winner by Sir Professor Marisa Bienvenido.
Sama mo sila? Video. Ay, fourth na sila. Naganda na kulot yung ano ko. Ay,
Guys, kung pwede po kami
basta lang ko production.
barely know what happened last night. I think I blacked out again. Papahinga lang ako, then mag-ayos ako ng gamit ko. Sobrang pagod and inaantok pa ako. So, nakapag-breakfast na ako and nakapag-swimming na ako. Actually, nagka-tan-line ako. Nung nag-swimming ako, pero I put like sunblock naman. Papainis. Pero yeah, I'm just here. I'll miss this.
ka rin yung hindi masasama sa vlog yun.
Okay po. Guys, it's 12:30. 1 yung checkout ko. Kaya kakal ko si Asia. Ano yan?
You and me.